Okay guys, this is the access point from the front door. We would just bring the furnace in through here into the laundry room. Told the customer that the washer would have to move. Furnace sits here in the corner. It is a downflow. Currently a train, 80% efficient. Said the humidifier works. So we would replace the switch on the side of the furnace, shut-off valve, obviously do any sheet metal work and venting that's needed. Might consider replacing that T, which looks like it's a 346. It's got a 16 by 20 filter. There'll be more room to work when this machine's out of the way. And you might have to pull the door, pop the hinges,